You are the same person who robbed the provision shop the first day we met. At first, I thought I was just being an overthinker. But with you,
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl again, your favorite baby girl, and today I bring you guys another new movie. The name of this movie is To Love a Thief, and this movie is starring the amazing Sandra Okunzuwa, Fine Boy Clinton Joshua, Nana Boma, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Okay, let's get into it. Now, this movie is what me personally I would tag the righteous thief or the righteous criminal. Okay, you know, there are certain people that get into what they do or illegal acts because of things they've been through, because of things they have seen. But this is not saying that you having a valid reason for being a criminal is right. What is wrong remains wrong. Stealing is wrong, whether you steal it from somebody that stole it from somebody or somebody that did something bad. As long as you take something that is not rightfully yours, it is stealing. Whether you steal it from a politician or you steal it from somebody who legit got their wealth, stealing is stealing. Now, in the case of this guy and his father and his, well, I would like to call him his adopted brother, they started stealing because of certain reasons, and mostly they would target they were stealing from people that stole from the people, from the common man. Okay, so but that still didn't make it right. And in one of their operations or things, he met this beautiful girl and he was outstruck, he was love struck, he was any kind of struck. All he knew was he couldn't think properly after seeing this girl, and it was the same for her. It was just like love at first sight. Okay, and with time, being with her and everything, he started rethinking things that he did or things or reasons why he's doing things, and he just wanted to be a better man for this girl. And it is so beautiful to watch, it is so beautiful to see. Okay, so guys, this movie is an amazing movie. I think everybody should watch this movie. Head on to Sandra Okunzuwa TV. That is where the movie is being premiered. Head on there, watch the movie, and tell me what you think about it. And I like the plot twist whereby the girl he falls in love with, her father is actually a police officer that is actually pursuing the man that she's in love with, and she knows that the person her father is pursuing is her boyfriend, but she could not say anything. It's just love at its finest, love at its very peak, at its beautiful peak. Okay, so guys, I'm still going to be putting out other videos today, so please be glued to your screen. There is another one popping up in a few hours from now. I'm going to release the second, or rather the third video, because I've released one earlier this morning. If you have not watched it, click on my video icons and you will see a lot of movie recommendations. Please try as much as possible to watch as many as you can watch. Okay, thank you guys very much. Love you. Bye.